Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, Ever Cabrera. You've been with us how many years, Ever?
20 years, sir.
Ever's been working with TLC alongside of me for 20 years. This year he's got his hands full because he's going to do a lot of teaching with the young guys. How you like doing that, Ever, this spring?
Yeah, I like doing that because...
Like training?
Yeah.
You got a lot of patience with these guys.
Yeah.
Getting them going with the iPads, getting them going with all the new technology we're using.
With all the highways.
Yeah, that's a lot going on, teaching the new techs and the homeowners.
Yeah.
Homeowners can be a big challenge, too.
Yes, sir.
Some people are open-minded, and some people are not, and it's always a challenge.
Yeah,
so.
But it's a good thing, too.
So what else you seeing this year out in the field?
Just try to teach a lot of the new guys and see everybody's good for.
And your brother's been helping us this year, too. He comes back from Guatemala every year to help us. And I'm always grateful for that. He gives us 3 months out of his year, isn't it? Approximately 3 months he comes and helps us every year. When we're super busy, you need to help. And we're always grateful for Alex to come over and to help us. So what are you guys seeing out there on service when you're color changing lamps? You seeing a lot of customers interested in that?
Yeah, because the new, everybody likes change the colors on the phones with the seasons. So definitely.
So they really like that a lot with the Bluetooth, so they can switch the colors for the different holidays on the phone. So you've seen a lot of people ask you questions about that?
Yes, sir.
I got you. We've seen our clients in the past use that app to change the lights for their sports team, their professional team, soccer team, for the different holidays. What are you seeing out in the field for customers? What are they telling you they want to use it for?
Like on 4th of July or something like that.
Yeah, the different holidays, Christmas. They want to change, so they can change each fixture out to a different color, right?
Yes, sir.
So 4th of July, red, white, and blue. Okay. Yeah, that's a big deal right there. We love all this latest technology, don't we, Ever?
Yes, sir.
Because you can change now every lamp in your yard, in your property, in your landscape, in that scene with an app on your phone. So each fixture, you can change the color spectrum of that. Really makes it nice for our clients to use. Ever, again, appreciate you coming in today, spending a couple minutes with us.
You're welcome, sir.
And we'll see you next week on another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned. We'll see you then.